There is another very important constituency in these elections which is called the Mahadalits. Although it's a constituency which was carved out by Nitish Kumar in 2007 when he became Chief Minister for the first time. He was hoping that he will be able to ensure that the Mahadalits or a section among the larger Dalit population of Bihar will be able to vote him and the JDU if they were to look at the welfare schemes. What are the Mahadalits of Bihar thinking about these elections? Let's listen to that, and I'll continue to report from Ground Zero in Bihar over the next few days. So continue to watch India Today as well. Thanks so much for watching.
Dehri village in Punpun is roughly 40 kilometers away from Bihar's capital, Patna. The nondescript village has a strong Mahadalit population living here, and almost all of them complain of zero development. In 2007, the Nitish Kumar government created a new social category, Mahadalit. The promise was to speed up development of subcastes of Dalits. 18 years have passed. Promises are yet to be fulfilled.
Government is trying to fulfill its promises, but these promises are not being fulfilled at grassroots level. You can see as to how the infrastructure has now been given here of Har Ghar Nal, but there is no water in this tap which has been installed here, which shows that the government releases funds, but it does not reach at the grassroots level, which is the biggest worry of people.
पानी चालू नहीं है और नाला जो जीसीबी से खना दिए हैं मुसारी के, मतलब वो नहीं बना है. हम लोग पानी के बहुत दिक्कत है. पानी से ज्यादा नाला का दिक्कत है.
कुछ तो सरकार देती ही नहीं. नली लगी आई थी तो नली सरकार न दी थी. सबके समूह वाला पैसा आवी थे तो हमने के समूह वाला पैसा नहीं आवी थे. नली मुखिया कह कर किसे दम काम लगी था नली ने तो ना मुखिया काम लगैलक. नली ला हमने लड़ाई झगड़ा करी थी अपने ने.
सब बेहतर अच्छा है. सब
अच्छे कचिए न खाई कमाई तो कमाई तो खाई. पानी करने का दुख होती है. कपड़ा तो फिचला दुख होती है. तो ज्यादातर से पानी धो के कपड़ा तो धो फिचल करती है.
Chief Minister Nitish Kumar visits Dehri every year on Independence Day. Officials rush to spruce the village. The Chief Minister personally requests the eldest of the village to hoist the national flag. The same person feels the symbol of respect shown by the Chief Minister on Independence Day is lost in the harsh reality of zero development.
इस जगह पर आपने पूरा गांव देखा है. 76 साल तक आपने गांव देखा है. कुछ बदलाव आपने देखा?
कुछ बदलाव ना हुआ, कुछ ना.
आपको क्या चाहिए, क्या लगता है आपको क्या करने की जरूरत है?
दो लड़का, दोनों को रोजी रोटी चाहिए. आपका
यहाँ से 5 घर है, किसी के पास नल जल घर में से नहीं पानी तक पहुँचा भी है. लाइन की बात करते हैं, लाइन सही में लाइन है, बाकी लाइन बहुत कम यहाँ रहता है. 24 घंटा में 15 घंटा 16 घंटा लाइन रहता है, बाकी लाइन कटा रहता है.
Mahadalits are 21 scheduled castes out of 23 Dalit castes in Bihar. These castes typically do not own land and often work as laborers or sharecroppers on farms owned by dominant castes like Yadavs. The Mahadalits constitute around 10% of Bihar's population. A strong voter base that has been promised a lot. But this election season, they want to vote based on what they have received.
On the issue of Mahadalits, various governments, multiple political parties have done a lot of politics. But despite the formation of Mahadalit as a category after 2 decades, it seems like nothing has changed for them. For the residents of Dehri, proper housing, drainage facility, proper drinking water remains a distant dream. Remember, Nitish Kumar had promised them a lot of things, but it seems like all those promises have now fallen flat. With video journalist Ankit Singh, I am Piyush Mishra in Punpun, Bihar for India Today.